All right, good morning, guys. Sorry, just getting everything set up. So I've noticed, I don't know if it's my camera software. I might have to get a different one altogether. When I start the video without my camera on, like there's like zero lag. I can like throw myself in later. It doesn't mess anything up. Sometimes if I have my camera beforehand, it like creates a little lag. So that's what's been going on the last couple days. Might just get a new software. But anyway, good morning, guys. Let's see if this bleed out week continues, or if we get a little bounce today. I don't care either way, guys. We're going to trade the volume. But good to see you all. So 23,200 is going to be our spot to watch, it seems. Let's see here.
Oh, my school is just a big white house.
We might want to rally a little bit, it seems. Let me take one. See if we can go up and grab the top of that red candle there. Stop in the profit. Okay, a little bit of profit right there. We'll take it. I do think we're going to pop 50 though. It's a pretty large wick. Yeah, let's go, baby. Go do the thing. Let's go, baby. Decent little trade. We're up 370. We're up 370, baby. I'm hydrated this week. I've been drinking water on stream all week. I put down the diet pop for the week. I mean, I've not cut it out. I mean, I have it, throughout the day, but little improvements here and there. Never hurt anybody. What up, Philpot? Dude, I can't imagine people that go through life never experiencing nicotine. It's truly sad. I might be addicted to water. I'm not addicted to water. I'm not addicted to anything. Do I need water? I don't even want to say I need it because then that borderline sounds like addiction. Let's just say that I like water. But I see what you're doing there. Morning, Blake. Let's see here, guys. I don't know how I feel about that red candle there. I'm about to try to short that. See if we can keep pushing down a little bit. That's a pretty hard reject up there, if you ask my opinion. Well, we might get tagged on this one, guys.
Order filled.
Oh, baby, you told me one thing, did another, I did some wrong. You did it double, that's what I get for love and trouble, I guess. Like they always say, wrong time, wrong girl.
See if we can just fail 50, but if not, I got to stop in place. It'll be fun. Okay, take one of those back off. little bit of crafty risk management here on this one, guys.
and sold it off like you were good to me. You left me no.
Okay, back to basically even. That's fine. I was wrong on that trade, thinking it would be short. So to get out to back to even on the day, I can live with that. Yes, we are stock done. All right. Little flag forming potentially here. I'll be in for it.
I took a drive and I crossed every line. You hurt me once, I was out to hurt you twice, yeah, the whole time.
Let's go do the thing, guys.
You pulled me up so high, you couldn't.
Let's go do the thing.
I was on that
All right, we made some money. We're green $100. Are we rich off of that? No. Are we gonna have Chipotle today? Probably. This rate, it seems very probable that we're gonna go up and capture 300. It's just how hard will we pull back before we go do it? But I think we are gonna go do it. If I can get a little sharper of a dip here, I'll try to put another one on. There we go. 79 will work for me, so I can go up and try to break 300. Let's go get this 300 break. Stop right here at 59 though. Put another one on right here.
But we caught a couple falling out on a blanket in the yard. You winding down from a late shift down at the nursing home.
See what we can make happen here, guys.
Feels so good to be up late pretending.
Can we go do it?
Come back from the dark somehow. Finally living in the here and now. No sign of a thundercloud following you. Don't take it personal. The world don't turn around you.
Can we do the thing, guys?
Like it's heaven passing through.
All right, tag. That's okay. It was worth a shot. We got 5 minutes until the open range is in. That gives me time to do a couple things here. I still think that's a bull flag forming if you want my genuine opinion.
Order filled.
I might have to shoot the ball again.
And I have traveled such a distance just to see the smile that's on your face. And I have
Order
traveled
filled.
far and wide, and I have died and
I'm getting a little aggressive in here, guys, just because I do think that we want to snap up. That was a test of 300 up there. I think we want to retest 300 in a second.
tucked away inside my home. This rolling stone has found a rock to call his friend. And if you wonder where my heart is when I'm out on the road, Lord, I tried at home, I left it
Okay, let's just snap this thing back up and go do the thing. She's a wanting it. Maybe. I'm waiting to put this in the profit here, guys. Push a little bit higher for me. Go and put it right. Okay. A little bit of profit right there. That's fine. Clears me out of the trade. I think we're going to hold 50 though, guys. I really do. I just want to be in this thing, so to me it's screaming like it wants 300. Two minutes until our open range is defined here. Put a stop down here under this wick, right at 30s. See if we can push up, get a little bingo bango rolling here. Just trying. Stopping the profit right there. Can we roll on up, baby? All right, made 120 bucks back. I'll take it. I'm gonna give it the next 60 seconds here to let you know, the 15-minute self put itself in. I think we're gonna pop 300 though, man. But I'm gonna sit here and wait on it. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate that. Tom over on X says this stream is amazing. Thank you. We appreciate that, brother. Home sales got to be bad. You would think so, Phil Pott, but I mean, people love going in debt out here, man. Okay, 15 minutes are in. Let's see what we can do here now. It's not an attractive candle. Let's try to short into that. There we go, baby. All right, made some money right there. That's fine. Quick little hitter. See what we do at 200 here. Get one back in here on the little bounce back up. I think we can go properly break 200. Yeah, come on, baby. All right, another 150 back. That's fine. We're back to even, guys. We are back to even. Yeah, that was a break. Trying to hold the open range, though, is what it's trying to do. Whether it can or not, to be determined. I'll try one more short on it here. All right, $70 more. Quick little $70 hitter. That's fine. I'm just going to trade the direction that it's going, but be smart while I'm doing it. If we can retrace, like maybe back up to the 20s or something, and give me a proper short entry, might be a little safe doing that. There's 13, 15, 17. All right. I'll take a starter at 16. Now if I can come back down and fail 200, we'll make something. That's a pretty large wick, though, guys. I'm not going to lie. That might have been a hold. I think it was. Okay. Yeah, I think that was a hold of 200 down there. Let's see, can we go up and break that 300 at this level? I think we can. On the 5 minute, that was a crazy, crazy wick. If you guys are looking at the 5 minute time frame, came down, tested the 200 spot, massive wick back up. Let's see if we can continue. Okay. Let's go. Sure. All right, and there we go. We made $800 right there, guys. So got chopped on a couple things. Saw that massive wick, changed bias immediately. Made all the money back. So no harm, no foul. Now let's go into the green. That would be preferred. Take a starter right here. Just one contract at 58. Because I still think we want to go up and test this open range high. And just because that was such a massive wick that held down there at 200, looks like momentum is switching a little bit to some buyers. So that's my logic behind taking this trade. Could be forming a flag here, guys. I'm wanting to maybe add a second contract, but I don't want to be too early. Maybe that was the spot to add it right there. We'll see. I'm okay with just one contract while this is working itself out, though. Maybe just push and go clear the highs. Let's see here. 44 average. That's kind of the pullback I was wanting right there. Let's get this thing up into the profit here. Come on. Give us a bingo bango, baby. Okay, we'll put the profit right there. All right. We're green, 65 bucks. That's fine. That was a little wild sell candle right there, but hey, we're in the green, guys. Take a starter short on this thing right here, because that sell was pretty freaky right there. Stop up here at 45. I don't want to, take a chance on getting up to 50. I don't think it will. I think it's going to dump here. She's a trying to. Stop in the profit right there. All right, whatever. We'll take a little bit more money. We're up 100 bucks. So we got 7 minutes until some data comes out. I think the chessboard will get a lot more clear after that data comes out. Meredith, good to see you. Sorry, just getting the chat pulled back up, guys. Okay, JC in Tennessee says, do I know if the housing accounts are only for futures? Yeah, they are. They're only futures trading. That's any prop. It's futures only. Some Forex firms are out there, but it's going to be futures or Forex. So you can't do shares or options. What do you guys think? Should we do a horse race before this data comes out? Not really gamble on the data. Let the data come out, and then we'll see where we land after that. We're up 100 bucks. I mean, we're green. We're not red. We're sitting here getting a feel for how the market wants to act today. I think 50, 250 is kind of the anchor right now. It can't really get much above 250 or much below. It just kind of snaps back to that 250 level. Meredith says yes, she wants a horse race. All right, let me get the track set up, guys. We'll do a horse race for Meredith. I didn't see you here yesterday, Meredith. All right, let me rig up the track here. Bring the ponies out. Oh, we're bringing the ponies out. Don't you worry. Yeah, we'll let this work itself out here, guys. Because more than likely, the data that comes out in just a few minutes is going to change whatever we're looking at right now anyway. So if we know that ahead of time, let's just wait for what the final product is going to be and then trade that. Makes all the sense to me. Number 2, baby. Blake says, you know who I'm going with? All right, guys. So here's what it is. Give me 1 second. Let me go to the track here. All right. $500 for horse number 1. $100 for every other horse. So I'm picking horse number 3. Me and the homies, we're going with number 3 as the market is just going off a cliff. So if you pick number 1 and it wins, you get 500. Anything else, you get 100. Let me get my chat pulled up so I can see with you guys here. Put your bets in, guys. You got the next 30 seconds to put your bets in on Twitter or YouTube. T every day takes number 1. He wants that 500, man. All right, guys, here we go. And they're off, guys, and they are off. All right, we have number 1 slightly in the lead right now. Number 3's probably in last place. No surprise there. I don't know why we expected anything different. Number 2 has a shot. Number 2 and number 4 is going to do it, I believe. Number 4 is coming up fast, though. Number 4 might steal the whole thing, guys. Let's see. Oh, number 6. Do not count number 6 out. Okay, number 6 won. It just obliterated everybody. Okay. So first race in the books, number 6 won. If he starts this shiz again, you know, he won yesterday as well. If he just keeps dominating, I'm going to have to sabotage number 6 again. So, if you pick number 6, congrats, guys. Josh said horse mother effing 4. That's hilarious. All right, guys. So we're breaking under 200, but we got some data coming out in like 60 seconds. So smart money tells us to wait. We're just kind of hovering around this 200 level. We got about 45 seconds here. Number 6 is back. Oh yeah, number 6 is back. That's a fact. I don't know, guys. We want low of day, though. I'm just sitting on my hands. I want to short this, but I also got data coming out, so I'm not going to. I call race fixing. Number 2 was the clear winner. That's hilarious. Wouldn't be the first time I'm accused of fixing something. Yeah, I thought we wanted low of day, man, but I just didn't want to gamble on that candle. All right, I'll chase this short a little bit right here. Come on, baby. Bleed out. All right, we're up 300 bucks on the day. I mean, we're only 30 minutes in, so it's not a bad half-hour rate. Someone in the Fed was just jealous. There's a lot that I will be able to say on that very soon, Meredith. All right. Did we hold 200 here, though, is the question. I think we might have, so I'll take a stab to the long side here. Put a stop just slightly above my entry in case it wants to slam down. I can reassess. Now move it up a little bit. Okay. Yep, we're making some money, guys. We are making some money. Let's go, baby. All right, we made 430 bucks right there. We're up 700. Not bad. See, when, you know, all the craziness out of the first 15 and 30 minutes gets out of the way, then it becomes a lot easier to make money. I know I took some shots, you know, in the midst between that, but we kept our wrists nice and tight. And the magnet right back up to 50 here. Let's see. If I can get a slight little pushback down, I might get another contract, but does it want to? I don't know. I'm going to take one right here to be in for the 50 break in case it doesn't. But if it does push down, I can get a second one. Well, see, that's why I had one in. All right, we're up 860. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Bingo, bingo. And that's why, so I think my stream is a little bit different than a lot of others. I don't know. I don't really watch a lot of others. I mean, there are some good ones out there that I've seen in the past, but, I'm here. So this is where my time's at. I don't exactly always wait for that perfect entry because my style is I trade the momentum. So sometimes it looks like I'm chasing something. It always looks like you're chasing until it goes more in your direction. Then it doesn't look like a chase anymore. So, I'll start adding one contract maybe a little bit early. That way, if it, keeps going, which it very well can, I get a little piece of the pie and I'm not just, left out in the cold with nothing. On the perfect entries, if we get like that beautiful flag setup, sure, we'll load more contracts on that when it's safer. But, when we got momentum on our side, fate on our side, sometimes, throw your jab out there, it'll land. And if it doesn't land, whatever, we're going to get out for a tiny paper cut. We're probably gunning for Hive Day, though, I would imagine.
Order filled.
I'm going to take another one on with that logic in mind. Looking at the 5 minute, it looks like we're coming up and we're gunning for that open range high spot, which the open range high is like right here, guys, at these candles. Around 90. No, I see you commented something here. After I go to this trade, I'll read it and I'll get to you, brother. Just wanting to push Hive Day up here, guys. And break. Let's go, baby. Can we bingo, bingo? All right, another 65 bucks, whatever. I'll take it. I'm at 920. I still think it has higher to go, but maybe I get lucky and it does, kind of form a flag here. We're forming the pole of the flag right now. So if we can, come down a little bit and, put the wavy part in, maybe that's a good spot for me to really get an entry. What did Noah say here? I've been picking that up, watching you, incorporating it in my strategy. I have the screen time to understand, just trusting. Yeah, that's what it is, man. It's like if you have the screen time that you trust yourself, that any trade I take, I'm very well aware that I could be wrong on it. So if you trust yourself to cut the bleeding off quickly, it becomes a lot less scary to chase an entry because it's not really chasing if you have a plan that you're trading momentum, you're just riding the momentum. And if it starts going against you, you cut it off. There's nothing scary about it. But that does take, some screen time and trusting yourself, everybody wants that perfect entry because that's what the books tell you to do. But, in practicality, sometimes it don't work like that. The wavy part, is that a new thing I just discovered? Man, my terminology on flags, what the wavy part is called, is not up to par, so we're going to call it the wavy part. But I mean, I can write a little blog strategy and we'll have it marketed by tonight if you want to. Let's see. We tapped the open range high up here. Now this might give me my wavy part that I can, in a second, maybe get another entry in here. If I can get maybe high 50s for my second one, I'd be kind of cool with that. Course for $6,900 coming up. Exactly, man. And I'm only admitting 69 people into this course, so get in now. Come on, give me high 50s maybe. I sound like a weatherman on here. Yeah, I'm looking for the high 50s. And also another thing, guys, it becomes like not sizing overly heavy. Like you want to size, heavy enough that you're going to make money, but like where I did, quote, chase up here, I got one contract. That way I know I have room that like if I am slightly early, which I was, you don't have to completely get freaked out and wreck your account.
Tossing and turning, know you come around, cause every time I put the work in, 27 minutes on a 405 shawty, turn that fucking Civic to a...
It does look like some strength is building to the upside here though, guys. It really does. Can we go break 300 here, guys? That's what I'm looking for. We're testing it. When I went back and watched the replay yesterday, guys, I noticed that like my chart was too far to the left, so you couldn't really see my thing on screen as well. So I'm trying to be better about that today. If at any point you can't like see my quantity on screen, just let me know. That way I know to drag it over. Because the way that my setup is like it looks different for me than it does you guys when I go back and watch it on screen. Come on, baby. Pop the 90s and take us to 300. Let's be Sparta 300 today, guys. Which is a fantastic movie if you guys haven't seen it. I hope you have. I think we're building a little bit of strength here. If I can pop it back into the 60s, maybe I'll go ahead and pull the trigger on another one. But if I can't get the 60s, whatever, at least I got one in the game. This might be forming the flag that I was wanting. It just takes some time to form these sometimes, guys. All right, we're trying. We do have momentum coming in on our side as long as we don't get, you know, John Cena smackdown here. Come on, baby, do the thing. Yep. Let's do it. See, that's what I was saying, guys. It always looks like you're chasing until it goes. And then it doesn't look like you're chasing anymore. Now this looks like a pretty dang good entry. Keep that in mind. There we go, baby. We're up 1150. I'll take that. Tap 300 right there. We became Sparta 300 like we wanted. Now we'll let this see what it does here, whether we slam down at 300 now or can we keep going above it. I think we can keep going above it personally. So I'll grab one more right here, right at 300. Kind of playing with the open range high right here. I think we have enough strength on our side that we do want to, maybe 320s, 330s, entirely possible. Stop right here at 74. Does she want to do it? Okay, I got another one right there closer to my stop. So now if we go, I'm in a better position to make more money. So 91 average, 74 stop. I'll take it. All right, stop right there. That's okay. Let me see if that's actually going to reject or if we're going to, I think we're going to go, guys. I really do. Yeah, I got to get back into this thing. I think I got stopped too early right there. That's the name of the game sometimes. But I do want to be in this for the move. Can we do it? I got 3 contracts on. Let's see if we can keep this dream alive here. Come on, baby. Yep, let's do the thing. All right, 340 back. We're back up to 750 on the day. I'll get 1 contract back in now to be here for this 300 break again. Okay, another 100. We're back up to 850. We keep flirting with 300 though, guys. So I'm going to keep doing these little micro scalps here, trying to catch this big move is what I'm doing. There we go. Let's go, baby. That's what I was wanting. That's exactly what I was wanting. That's why I kept shooting the ball. Okay. We're back up to 1150, guys. So, you know, I got stopped on one of those, but I felt like we were right on our idea here. So I kept shooting the ball, trying to make it happen, and, you know, we got it. Let's see here. Bingo, bango, Noah. That's right, brother. Let's see if I can find another entry here. And I'll grab this one. All right. Take it at 303 right here.
About the pace at the B&B on D&D, we at the lake house. My shorty bet I eat her up like she's some takeout. This what it is, it's not what it was. This shit hit different when you do it with the ones you love. What's it mean if I don't do it with the ones I love? I made it up and the gang's all here. Yeah, the gang's all here. Even when we get some change.
Stop right here.
Waves, oh yeah, and there ain't no going back now, no. When your brothers got your back now, yeah. We about to take off, all clear, and the gang's all here. Who picked you up when you falling down? Who's counting on you when they count you out? We was cooking up at Pat's house, sleeping on the couch, making music, trying to make it out, yeah. I hope my brothers making more than me. I hope they finding peace and being what they want to be. They couldn't see us coming.
Maybe 320 is not out of the question here. I think we can get back above the 320s. We came up there and kind of tested them a second ago. I think we can do it again. She's a trying. Stopping the profit right there now. All right, we made another 40 bucks. That's Chipotle money. I mean, I still think it's going to go, but we are getting to the point up here that is a pullback due. That's what I'm not sure of. So I'm just going to sit here a minute. Nothing wrong with just sitting here, guys. Morning, Bad Uncle. Good to see you, brother.
I'm afraid of love, but I'ma try. Must have fucked it up 100 times. Lost some family to suicide. I nearly went and lost my mind. If I want it, then I'm chasing it. I'm not leaving here with no regret. I'm still stuck.
Could be forming a little flag right here, but I just want to be certain. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take a short right here with a very, very tight risk above that wick. See if I can break down. Now I'll move this into the profit here. All right, there's another $40 profit. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, this is looking more and more like a flag, guys. So I'm going to flip long on this one. Stop under this wick right here at 95. So I'll risk 300 bucks here. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. Can we push? Pull this up with me here. So I'm risking $100 for a potential few hundred probably.
Well, we couldn't face the summer heat, so you drove through the night in the sea right next to me. We were losing signal on the
Let's go, baby. Can you break 20 for me?
far that we can go. Then I sang in the dark, but you did not know. Babe, I love you with the windows down, just the sound of a heartbeat, engine roaring.
First chance I get, I'm going to put this in the profit. I'm just trying to let it breathe. Okay, we're in the profit now. Okay. All right, a little bit more money. It's getting tight right here, guys. That's why I'm doing these tiny little jabs. But I think the logic is good behind these. It's just we're in a very tricky area. But we're up over 1,200. I mean, I can't be upset about it. You know, there's nothing wrong with taking little $50 hitters, guys. They add up. You know, of course, we want to make more, and on a lot of trades on here, we definitely do. Like, we'll make a lot on some trades. But at the same time, if $50 is on the table, I still understand that $50 is $50. Let's see what we do with this 320 here, guys. I've been talking about that 320 for a minute. Like, I feel like that's an important spot for us. I'm going to take a short stab right here, guys. That we're kind of breaking back under 320. Stop above that wick right there. Well, unless it just wants to keep bleeding, then I'm going to put my stop into profit. Yep, I am. Not a bad little entry right there. Come on down, baby. Bleed. All right, we made 260 on that one. We're up 1,500. That's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. There we go, Noah. We got one together, brother. And that's the thing, too, guys. Like, I still think we're going to come down, probably pop under 300. But I'm going to give it a second here to explain something to you guys. And I'm sure all of you already know this. Maybe some don't. You know, at the end of each day when I post whatever I'm up or whatever I'm down on the day, whatever the number says, some people might think that's all in one or two trades. You know, like, oh, wow, he made $1,500 on that trade. He's done. When the reality is, no. We were in the trenches. Like, if you're on stream, like, you see that we're in the trenches. Maybe I make $50 on a trade. Maybe I make, you know, 500 on one. Like, whatever combination you make to get to that total. Maybe I'll lose some. I have to come back some, which happens most days. The end number that people see posted does not tell the full story of how you got there. How you get to that end number is what we're doing right here. Being in the trenches, having good risk management, shooting the ball as many times as we need to. That way, at the end of the day, yeah, it is a nice number, but the work that we do to get to that number is what, you know, a lot of people don't see. I mean, you guys see it. I mean, you're on stream here. All right, I think it's time that we do another race, guys. What do y'all think? change up the colors a little bit here.
Who gives a fuck about what it was? Who I am, not what I was. On the counter is a jug. I got rich while I was buzzed. I got rich off my ideas.
Yeah, that's the thing with anything, Noah, man. Nobody, even if they see, like, when you're coming up, the work that you're putting in, they just always forget about it, man, and they just think everything comes easy to you. Doesn't, guys. At least not for me. I mean, nothing I have was given to me or came easy. You know, it's been very, very hard to still be here. You know, fought for everything I had, then I had to fight to keep everything that I have. Nothing's easy. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. It's just you get better as a person at maybe making it look easy. All right. Bad Uncle says, let's go to Jen's. 2 again. I like it, brother. All right. Place your bets, guys. Yeah, we're just ripping. Maybe we go up here to 350. I don't know. Let me get the track set up for us here. All right. So, $500 for horse number 1. $100 for every other horse, guys. We've done some good solid trades this morning. I mean, we're still running, but the thing is, you don't have to be in every little move that the market's doing, and that's something that I feel like takes people a while to understand, that the market can move without you. You don't have to be in it. Like, when you understand that your job is to show up and make money. That's it. You show up, make whatever money you make on the day, and you bounce. You get out. You don't have to put yourself in every fight. All right. Let me get my chat pulled back up, guys, and we're going to run a race here. Sticking with number 4, 5 all day. All right, a lot of number 4s out here. Okay. Number 2, don't fail me now. All right, there's a lot of number 4s coming out to play here. Let's see. All right, guys, you got 30 seconds left to put your bets in. Let's go, Chipotle. Dude, Chipotle sounds so good today. I think you talked me into it, man. I think I'm going to Chipotle today. That sounds incredible, actually. All right, here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. Go, baby, go. Let's go, horse number 3. This is your time to shine, baby. Prove the world wrong. You've done it once before, and you did it that other time that I cheated for you, but that don't matter. Let's go, baby. Oh, number 1, guys. You might actually have your day. Hold on. What's going to happen here? Number 4 is trying to steal the race. Number 4's... Oh, it's slowing. Number 4 is slowing. Dude, number 2 stole it at the end. Oh, man. Number 4 was looking so good until number 2 stole it at the end, baby. Number 2, don't fail me now. All right. That was a buzzer beater. Okay. That was pretty dang good. Let me go back to the charts here and see. Oh, yeah, maybe we're going to come down some more. I'm going to pop a short on here. Let's break into this open range. Come on down, baby. You can fail some more. I know you can. I know that was a massive smackdown candle, but you got more in the tank. I know you do. Let's go. All right, there we go. We're up 1555. That's a good number. Made some money, too. The number 3 let me down, so I had to come make it where I could. I still think we got more to come down, though, guys. Let's see. Just looking at this, it looks like it wants to come tap under that open range high. Can we come down a little bit more?
Don't say that I never told ya. I know you still miss the way I used to hold ya. Why can't I ever be where I'm supposed
What are we going to do here, guys?
to, baby? Don't say I never told ya. You miss the way I hold ya. Regret it when it's over.
Stop up here for now. Giving myself some breathing room, but also not too much breathing room that I'll get completely wrecked and sacrifice my entire day.
I got labels on their face. Don't act dog, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. 'Cause I hate that shit. Lot of bitches around, you wanna play that shit.
What are we going to do here, guys?
Second I play, it's one of y'all say, goddamn, I quit.
Come on, baby. Fail the thing. Completely annihilate it.
Just talk in complete honesty. 'Cause I'm so
Let's tank the U.S. economy.
if I can get it from you, baby, get it from me. So don't say
I could see that statement right there being clipped up and played in a courtroom. See, Your Honor, he's trying to tank the U.S. economy.
why can't I ever be where I'm supposed to? I barely know you, baby. Don't say I never told you.
That's the thing, guys. Like, anything can be taken out of context in any single field. There we go. All right, we're up $1,700. I mean, it's honest work. I mean, I'm happy with it. Not every day can be. No, I'm not even going to finish that sentence, guys. I'm not going to kid you guys. $1,700 is a lot of money for anybody. It really is, and that's something I've talked to, like, several of you guys about that. I don't care how much money you have in your bank account. If you start acting like $1,700 is not a lot of money, you're just lying, because it is, man. Like, no matter how much, $1,700 is $1,700. That's life-changing money. Like, people post the $20,000 day, $30,000. Yeah, sure, those days can come, but do not discredit. If you're making like $1,000+ a day, that's so much money, guys. It really is. Just understand that you're making that from a computer, sitting wherever you're sitting, whether it's at your job right now or at home. That's insane money, and that's something that you should always be proud of. Yeah, one contract at a time. That's the thing. Like, I'm on here. Like, there was maybe once this morning I put 3 contracts on to claw back a little bit, but you don't have to swing large size to, like, you don't have to make $1,700 a trade. Like, we've done it pretty nice and chill and safe on here. That one contract, we're not risking a lot. That's how you keep money, guys. Like, what's the point if you make $30,000 one day, you go back in swinging like a world beater, and you lose $40,000 the next day? It doesn't make sense. You're going backwards. Yeah, exactly. $408,000 a year. That's a very, very, very nice life. Yeah, and that's the thing, Noah. I do think, which I mean, I truly don't care if anybody's offended. I'm not trying to offend anybody, but I am a religious person, and I never try to push that on anybody. But that's my personal belief. Anybody can believe what they want. So for my personal belief, I think God does some things, like allows certain things to happen to you to teach you a lesson there. So, there was a point in my life when I was, a few years younger, when, the whole LA phase that I had out there, and like any given day I would go to Saint Laurent, buy $10,000 or $15,000 worth of clothes, like kind of desensitized to everything. And that really does sometimes like skew your vision on life, that I think could lead to like a less good life experience. I mean, sure, like having a lot of money is great. I mean, it allows you to do a lot of nice things. I'm never going to say that it's not. If you have a choice to have a lot of money or little money, choose a lot of money every time. Like, no brainer. But also, don't take for granted, what you're able to do. And I think for me, like the whole experience that I went through, it was a good process for me to be like, okay, well, let me come back down to reality a little bit and, be a human being again. And that was a really cool process for me, guys. I think you're the most grounded out of all that crew. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I tried to be. I mean, I, came from nothing, and I tried to always be grounded and treat everybody like human beings. I'm not going to lie. I mean, there was like some spells that I lost touch with reality a little bit, but I was also young at the time. So like, you're going through life at the first time. Everybody is. So you kind of have to learn these things. But, like to think I'm a better person now for what I've learned. So yeah, we'll see. Either way, I mean, I think anything that happens to you, there's good that comes out of it. What a sell-off. I thought we were going to come back down to that open range, guys, and that's exactly what we did. When you have like a huge... I'm not sure what happened there, guys. 1 second. Randy came out. Yeah. But yeah, so that's the thing, what I was just saying. Like when you see a big red candle like that, it doesn't mean, oh, that's the pullback, let me go right now. Like that could be a change of direction. So like my mind goes to that, like, all right, sellers are coming in now. That was a big slam down. Let's ride with them.
When I close my eyes, it's like you're in the room with me. The sun's in my eyes, but I've been seeing you. When I close my eyes,
Let's see here. Maybe this is a little pullback, but I mean a bounce up, but I still think we got lower to go. For some reason, I'm not convinced that the selling is over, but I think maybe we could go up, grab like 75, maybe. Put a starter in right here at 64, just to see what we can do with it. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. Yep. All right, another 125 bucks. We're up 1810. I'm good with that right now. Okay, what do you need to do with this screenshot? So what you do, brother, just take a screenshot of, you picking the correct horse, and then you send that in to the help desk over at Halcyon and just let them know what account that, you want it on. Like, I know some people have multiple accounts. You can choose what account you want it on, and they'll get it added. I think they're pretty quick with adding it. At least from what I'm hearing from the, the people that's won other days, they're pretty quick with it. It was a gangster move from Blake on here the other day, man. He was in a trade. He was about to pass his eval, but he cut the trade off to let his horse race push him over the edge. That was awesome. So yeah, these horse races, guys, I think it's just something fun. Like it's entertaining on here, and you guys can win free money into your accounts. They're free to bet, and it's just another way that we can make this a very rewarding stream for you guys. Like, I try to come on here and do the best trades I can for you guys. Explain what I'm thinking, and we make money together most days. Hopefully, this is just like an extra bonus that you can make extra money on the side doing this. Dale reached legendary status on that one. That was a gangster move, man. All right, guys. Well, I'm probably going to tag out for the day here, unless you guys want to do one more horse race. If you want to do one more horse race, I'll give it to you. But as far as trading, I think I'm good on my trades. 1800 is, I'm happy with that. I've been going very, very hard this week, guys. You know, I was pushing size in the big account that I got. I passed the big account in, I think, 2 days. So when you're pushing size like that, guys, like, you got to be in kill or be killed mode. And then, you know, today is like kind of my deload day a little bit. Like, come back down, like, let's reset. I'm up $1,800 in each account. You know, that's good for me today. But yeah, we'll do another race. Let me set this thing up. From trading to horse to Nick. Oh, dude, that reminds me. I've had this nicotine pouch in way too long, like an hour, man. Thank you for reminding me that. All right, we're gonna do one more race, guys. Let's see. What number do we all want? Like, here's the thing. If we can all collectively, like, I'll give us more time here. If we can, like, all rally behind one horse on this race together, I think that would make it a lot of fun. If we can, like, you know, take a vote and agree that we're all going to rally, but I don't care what horse it is. Like, if we don't go with number 3 on this one, that's fine. We probably shouldn't go with number 3 this one time only, because it's not going to win. But if we can all, like, rally, most of us, I mean, if you don't want to go with whatever horse, you don't have to. Here's what we're going to do. I might get in trouble for this one, guys. I legitimately might get in trouble when they go back and watch this stream, but I'm going to do it. You all want to rally behind horse number 1? I can do what I can to rally us behind horse number 1. Because that's the $500 hitter. Don't say that I don't care about you guys. If we're going to rally behind horse number 1, you give me a second. We'll rally behind horse number 1. I'll do what I can for us, but if it doesn't win, just know that I tried, guys. Just know that I tried. All right. Horse number 1, $500 bounty, okay? Let me see what we're going to do here, guys. All right. I might get in trouble for this one, guys, if I do, and if I have to pause the horse races for a minute, this is why. But we're going for it. So horse number 1, if that's what we're going for together, then get your screenshots. I'm in canceling 4. Let's go number 1. 1 for the win. All right. Kevin on Twitter, man. He's hilarious. All right. I'm going to give you guys like 45 more seconds. Blake, I know it's like that, dude. I told you this is a one-time only thing. This is the only time I'm ever going to go against number 3, because I like being at the craps table with all the homies. We all go for the same thing, man. Number 1, he's due. All right, guys, let's get your screenshots in, and let me get this race out of the way before I get shut down in case they're watching. All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Go, baby, go. All right, this is your time, number 1. Prove the world wrong, baby. Let's do it. Come on, number 1. Guys. Dude. This is some next level. Okay. Blake is going to hate me right now. Number 3 just won when I rigged the race. That's number 3 telling us, Blake, to never bet against it. Dude. I mean, if any other horse was going to win, I'm glad it was number 3 on that. That's actually hilarious. Wow, the one time we don't go with number 3 and I've rigged the track, number 3 wins. Blake's like, I knew it. Can't ever trust a market maker. Dude, I did everything I could. Number one is going to have its day. I'm going to do what I can to make sure number one has its day. But anyway, guys, that was a fun stream. And I will see you guys in a bit. Thank you all. I switched last second.